It starts with just a little leg pain at night. But soon, every step becomes harder. Getting out of bed feels like climbing a mountain. Your legs feel weak, shaky, and worst of all, you feel like you're losing control of your body. But what if I told you that with just a few simple bedtime vitamins, you could give your legs the strength they deserve, even after 60? 3 bedtime vitamins for stronger legs after 60. Why you should care. If you're over 60, your legs are your lifeline. They carry your independence, your freedom, and your joy. But as we age, circulation slows down, muscles weaken, and key nutrients drop, leading to painful cramps, numbness, and restless nights. Tonight, we'll reveal 3 bedtime vitamins that can help your legs repair, strengthen, and rest deeply. All while you sleep. The real reason legs get weak after 60. Before we talk about vitamins, you need to understand this. Leg weakness is not always about age. It's about what your body's missing, especially at night. As we sleep, the body goes into repair mode. But if you're missing certain nutrients, that repair process can't happen. Result? You wake up sore, stiff, and exhausted. That's why taking the right vitamins at night, not in the morning, can be the game changer your legs have been waiting for. Vitamin number 1, magnesium, the muscle whisperer. Let's start with the most underrated hero, magnesium. This mineral is like a calming whisper to your muscles. It helps them relax, improves circulation, and stops those painful middle-of-the-night cramps. Why it's crucial after 60. 80% of adults over 60 are magnesium deficient. It supports nerve function, muscle recovery, and deep sleep. Helps with restless legs, tingling, and even anxiety at night. Just 250 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or citrate before bed can relax your legs, calm your nervous system, and help you wake up pain-free. Best bedtime forms. Magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach, great for sleep. Magnesium citrate, better if you're also constipated. Avoid magnesium oxide, poorly absorbed. Real-life example. Paul, 67, had nightly leg cramps for years. 1 month after adding magnesium glycinate before bed, the cramps stopped, and he started walking 2 miles a day again. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3 plus K2, the strength duo. Vitamin D3 is the sunshine vitamin, but after 60, most of us don't make enough. And without it, our legs can feel heavy, tired, and weak. But here's the key, D3 works best when paired with vitamin K2. This combo helps calcium get into your bones and out of your arteries, keeping your legs strong and your circulation smooth. Why it matters after 60. Low D3 levels equals muscle weakness plus higher fall risk. D3 plus K2 combo improves bone density and vascular health. Helps fight osteoporosis and leg fatigue. Ideal nighttime dose. D3, 1000 to 2000 IU daily. K2, -7 Malawi Kwachas 90 to 180 micrograms. Taking this duo at night allows the body to build and repair while you sleep, giving you stronger legs to walk with during the day. A doctor's insight. One of the first signs of low D3 in seniors is leg weakness. It's not just about bones, it's about muscle energy and movement. Vitamin number 3, B-complex, the nerve protector. Our final bedtime vitamin is the one that powers your nerves, vitamin B-complex. Especially B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, they're critical for sending signals from your brain to your legs. Why seniors need it? Aging reduces B vitamin absorption. Low B12 equals numbness, burning, and poor balance. Helps reduce symptoms of neuropathy and leg tingling. B-complex supports nerve health, boosts energy, and helps your legs wake up again. Best form to take. Methylated B-complex, more absorbable for seniors. Take it 1 to 2 hours before bed, with food if needed. Bonus, improves sleep. B vitamins can help produce melatonin naturally, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Recap: the nighttime leg formula. Magnesium, glycinate or citrate for cramp relief, muscle relaxation. Vitamin D3 plus K2 for stronger bones, better circulation. Methylated B complex for nerve health and leg energy. Caution: what to avoid at night. Some common bedtime habits can actually weaken your legs overnight. Let's avoid these. High sugar snacks before bed. Sedentary lifestyle, no stretching or walking. Sleeping with legs compressed or cold. A 5-minute stretch plus the right vitamins equals stronger legs every single morning. Real-life transformations. We've seen incredible changes. From people who could barely walk to those now enjoying morning walks, hikes, and even dancing again. And it all started with giving their legs what they were missing. Closing message. Your legs have carried you through life. From chasing kids, to building a career, to quiet evening walks. Now it's time to carry them, with love, care, and the nutrients they need to stay strong. Just 3 bedtime vitamins. A few minutes of intention. And you'll be amazed by how your legs feel in the morning. Call to action. Did you find this helpful?